Today, we're dedicating an entire segment to a truly remarkable piece of home audio engineering. The Samsung HW-Q990F 11.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar system. If you're serious about immersive sound for your movies, games, and music, the Q990F is designed to deliver a premium, enveloping experience. Let's peel back the layers and explore its intricate specifications in detail. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My capture. The Samsung HW-Q990F is Samsung's flagship soundbar system for 2025. It's confirmed to be one of the first soundbars to support Eclipse audio. Eclipse audio is indeed a new spatial audio format developed by Samsung and Google, a testament to their commitment to cutting-edge audio. It boasts a true 11.1.4 channel configuration, meaning it's engineered to deliver sound from 11 horizontal directions, one dedicated subwoofer channel for bass, and 4 overhead channels for incredible height effects. This comprehensive setup aims to create a truly seamless and three-dimensional sound bubble around you. Let's start with the heart of the system, the main soundbar. This sleek unit is packed with a total of 15 drivers. It features a sophisticated arrangement including front-firing drivers. These are responsible for your traditional left, center, and right channels, ensuring clear dialogue and a wide front soundstage. Side-firing drivers. Crucially, these drivers project sound outwards, bouncing it off your side walls to extend the soundstage horizontally, making the sound feel much wider than the physical bar itself. Up-firing drivers. These are strategically angled on the top of the soundbar. Their purpose is to reflect sound off your ceiling, creating the essential overhead audio effects for formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. This intelligent combination of front, side, and up-firing drivers in the main bar is fundamental to the Q990F's immersive capabilities. Completing the full surround experience are the two included wireless rear speakers. These aren't just passive surrounds. Each unit is an active contributor to the 11.1.4 channels. Inside each rear speaker, you'll find forward-firing drivers. These handle the traditional rear surround sound, pulling effects from behind you. Upward-firing drivers. Similar to the main bar, these dedicated drivers in the rear speakers provide additional rear height effects, truly completing the overhead sound dome and enhancing the realism of 3D audio formats. Now, let's talk about the foundation of any great home theater: the bass. The HW-Q990F features a newly designed, more compact wireless subwoofer. Don't let its size fool you. This subwoofer packs a punch. It incorporates dual 8-inch drivers arranged in an opposing, or force-canceling, configuration. This design aims to minimize cabinet vibration and distortion, resulting in a cleaner, tighter, and more precise bass response, even at high volumes. Samsung states its power output for the system is a robust 756 watts. Providing ample power to drive all 23 speakers across the system, beyond the impressive driver count and power. The Q990F is brimming with smart features. Wireless Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Experience truly object-based audio without the need for an HDMI cable from compatible Samsung TVs, a huge win for cable management and aesthetics. Q Symphony. This signature Samsung technology allows the soundbar to seamlessly synchronize and play in harmony with your compatible Samsung TV's built-in speakers. The result is an even wider and richer soundstage, with audio precisely placed across both devices. SpaceFit Sound Pro. This advanced room calibration system uses built-in microphones to analyze your room's acoustics, including reverberation. It then automatically optimizes the soundbar's output, including bass, to deliver the best possible audio experience tailored to your specific environment. It's like having a professional calibrator for your living room. Active Voice Amplifier Pro. For those moments when background noise in your room, like a vacuum cleaner, makes dialogue hard to hear, Ava Pro intelligently detects and amplifies voices, so you never miss a word. Adaptive sound. This intelligent feature analyzes the audio content in real time and automatically adjusts the sound settings for optimal clarity and immersion, ensuring dialogue is always crisp, even during dynamic action scenes. Game Mode Pro. Gamers rejoice. This mode optimizes the sound for gaming, providing dynamic 3D audio and enhanced directionality, helping you pinpoint enemy footsteps or the direction of an explosion. It also supports 4K 120Hz pass-through via its two HDMI 2.1 inputs. Perfect for next-gen consoles. Extensive connectivity. Beyond HDMI EARC. You get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and Roon-ready compatibility. Plus, it has built-in Amazon Alexa and works with Google Assistant. The Samsung HW-Q990F is more than just a soundbar. It's a complete, high-performance home audio ecosystem designed to bring cinematic sound to your living room with unparalleled immersion and intelligence. From its sophisticated 23-speaker driver array to its smart room calibration and seamless TV integration, the Q990F aims to redefine your audio experience. If you're looking for a top-tier soundbar that delivers incredible object-based audio, precise spatial effects, and a host of convenient smart features, the Samsung HW-Q990F is undoubtedly a standout contender for 2025. You can find a link to check it out in the description below. Your purchase through that link directly supports this channel. What are your thoughts on the Samsung HW-Q990F's detailed specifications? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my capture for more in-depth tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date. Thanks for watching.